12 photos of animals that'll prove Mother Nature has an amazing sense of humor. 1. Have you ever wondered what a cat's paw with no fur looks like? 2. If Baby Yoda was a cat. 3. Such a good boy, that nature gave him a second tail to wag. 4. This pup looks like it has no legs, mid-jump. 5. Get a lion haircut, they said, it'll make you look majestic, they said. 6. He looks like a human in a dog costume. 7. This caterpillar looks surprised. 8. They're matching. 9. Who does this dog look like to you? 10. Cat Sheeran. 11. This breed of pig looks like a sheep and acts like a dog. 12. This is one very concerned cat. 13. Cat has another set of eyes on her head. 14. Wet owls look very, very stressed. 15. This dog is dog-eared, literally. 16. This is not a dog, it's a mini Chewbacca. 17. Before you hunt the squirrel, you must first become the squirrel. 18. A hairless guinea pig looks like a tiny hippo. 19. This dog looks like a gentleman. 20. This cow looks like it's made from outer space.